Yeah, good evening. Now I am going to discuss about design pattern. So in this design pattern, provide scheme for refining the subsystem or component of the software system or the relationship among them. So in order the design pattern or device that allows system to share the knowledge about their design by describing commonly recurring structures of communicating component that solve the general design problem with particular context. For example, the programming we have encountered many problems that occurred before and will occur again. So in this chapter 4, object-oriented design pattern, it is simple way only. Factored pattern is used to explain this Ali Brahmi book, textbook. But actually 23 patterns are there in that design pattern. So that last 5 minutes will discuss about the 23 patterns and different types. So in this chapter, fourth unit design pattern, usually fair well defined from documenting design pattern. Documenting design pattern name is factored. Here rationally and motivations factored pattern can be make task of assigning the large number of module made simpler by providing the additional interface layer. Interface layer means one class diagram to another class diagram. So that is the interface layer. Designing good program, and programmer usually attempt to avoid the explanation. Then the design good program and programmer usually attempt to avoid excess coupling between the module class using the pattern help simplicity. Here here motor vehicle, here an inherit from commercial vehicle and as well as private vehicle. So this attribute type restaurant, the relationship between the food track and restaurant is part of. Here motor vehicle is there, private vehicle and commercial vehicle. So you will reach a food track. So here aggregate restaurant. So aggregate restaurant. Here interfacing that make large amount of coupling complex using the difficult to understand. Here the classes are used. In what purpose these classes are used can be any number of class involved in this factored system, but the least 4 or more classes are required. So the one client, the factored and the class underneath the factored. So here typically the situation, the factored would have a limited amount of actual code, making call to lower layer the most of the time. So what is the advantage? Some advantages there, some disadvantages are there. Here advantages are factored is to make interfacing between many modules or class more manageable. So one possible disadvantage is there. Disadvantage is lose some functionally contained in the lower level classes. But this depend on how the factored was designed. So here example, imagine that you need to write a program and need to represent a building as rooms that can be manipulated. So the manipulated interacting with object in room to change their state. The client that ordering the program has determined that there will be a need for only a finite number of objects. Here some example diagram are given using design pattern factored. Eliminate the need for the client class to deal with the large number of large number of classes. Here client facade is there. So it is in class diagram. Here facade, all facades are aggregated. So something is aggregated by projector and screen and window, aggregated by this, all three aggregated by facade, and finally it is connected with client. Same diagram. So here the object-oriented design. So client straight away connected with client, but aggregated with projector and screen. Something is aggregated with projector and screen. So here the design have locked like this, making a lot of interactions by the client necessary. So here the 23 facades are there. So that 23 facades, it is an object-oriented design pattern. So this pattern fixing class structure. So here the design patterns are important. Why? Because they are advanced and clever code structuring that you may not find on your own. So they need to often enough. And average object-oriented software engineering projects see 3 to 4 patterns being helpful in the design. But remaining, so total 23 patterns are there, but remaining are used in some other functionality. Here hang of 4. So the 4 inventor, they find out 23 patterns, separations of concern and design pattern. So this priority focus on good design, our well-known friend, separations of concerns. So here very good code. Every class and method should have a distinct focus of responsibility. Here separate each difficult concern into different classes or methods. Here the pattern is there, observer pattern is there. So observer pattern also used, but in our Alibrami is only discussed in facade pattern. Next one is decorator. Decorator is there. So it is one of the pattern. So here all explanations there in this only used in Java background. And next one is command. So the generic diagram, adapter pattern is there. Adapter pattern. So out of this adapter also one of the important pattern, but adapter, observer, facade is very important. Advanced software engineering only 4 to 5 patterns are used. So in the development and designing. So next one is facade pattern. It already discussed a lot of things in Alibrami book. So this is very important, and you explain all the 4 important patterns every time. So whenever they are asking design pattern, you have to write 4 observer pattern, facade pattern, some important pattern you have to explain with some coding. So here that component also you have to explain. Then factory pattern. Factory patterns, the factories are method creating the object rather than directly invoking new. So here advantage using interface or super classes as abstractions break down when you new. If required, you give the concrete class if you are making in impossible for new to be parameter. So here facade to rescue, they allow the factory calling code to create objects by invoking them instead of grouping around with new. So it is one of the important pattern. The factory methods also is there. Here factory methods is generalization, association are using in simple factory. So here many explanations are given about the factory. Here it is explanations given about generic diagram and abstract factory. So here abstract factory, what it is exactly. This is abstract factory for Brisas and some factory codes. Here in different here compared to factory methods is the family to related classes getting created, and factory is separate classes. Here probably does not deserve to design the pattern. So it is just one, so one of many variants possible on the factories. Here next one is, so likewise 23 patterns are there, one after another. Composite pattern. So it describes the rescue union type of C is used for the composite pattern. So C programming only they used composite pattern. Likewise, so another pattern, strategy pattern. Strategy pattern is very similar to state, so and support dynamic changes of some aspect of the classes in this algorithm. And class diagram is identify well. Here strategy is one of the important. Here object-oriented design and design pattern. The strategy pattern is one of the important pattern to explain. Singletons also is there. This singleton, the class with only one member, something quite common in the practice. Code, it shows that multiple instances can be created. Have the class method to get the sole instance in Java version. Java version it is used singleton. So likewise 23 patterns are there. Here architectural pattern. Architectural patterns are pattern of some architectures used by framework. But anyhow this all it is downloaded material. You have to refer Ali Abirami book. It is a textbook, one of the more valuable book. So some banking examples only given. So you have to decide based on the questions. You have to decide the system and model. You have to draw all the diagram and explain properly. Here MVC and modern web architectures. Here more gang of 4 patterns. Bridge is one of the gang of 4 pattern, and builder is another pattern, and chain of responsibility. Here builder example is given. Here this is an builder, this is an attribute. Here I don't know. Here chain responsibility. So chain responsibility examples also given. You have to explain based on that. Here one of the important specialized pattern you using as often as the other. Now I will send this document to all of your mail. So you have to carefully read one after another. Draw a diagram and explain. That is the very important aspect. Mediator. Mediator is another pattern. So in this mediator pattern, to mediate all the classes. Memento another pattern. So it is the diagram is given, create using prototype instance and create new objects and copying this prototype. So here when we want to object copy from prototype, and instead of creating directly from the classes, useful when in significant efforts to create object structure from scratch. Here visitor pattern is there, some diagram is there, draw a diagram and explain. So and then how the visitors are working pattern is there. So that's all. Thank you very much. So you have to refer Ali Birami book. So that is most important. This is one of the additional material that also sent through your mail. Carefully read and give some, draw some diagram and explain it. Thank you. Thank you.